AI is a fundamental existential risk for human civilization. And I don't think people fully appreciate that. It's not fun being regulated. It's not, be pretty irksome. Well,
A revolution in artificial intelligence is coming. Google is going to launch Gemini, the sequel to its famous AI chatbot Bard. This is not only a change in name, Google is stepping up its game with a new app having more advanced features. But there is a catch too. Some of these extra functions come at a price.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini, Google's latest AI marvel. But what exactly makes Gemini shine? Gemini is not just your ordinary AI chatbot. With enhanced abilities to generate images and more, it's pushing the boundaries of what AI can do.
Gemini's ability to create images opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for users. The introduction of Gemini Ultra takes things to the next level. It's like having a supercharged AI assistant at your fingertips.
But what does this mean for us? The integration of Gemini with other Google services promises a seamless and personalized experience. Imagine writing emails, finding locations, or interacting with videos, all with the power of Gemini. However, it's important to note that the most advanced features, powered by Gemini Ultra, come with a price tag. But the promise of enhanced capabilities makes it a worthwhile investment for many users. In essence, Gemini marks a pivotal moment in Google's AI journey. With its launch, we're witnessing the dawn of a new era, one where AI becomes an integral part of our daily lives. If you become as absorbed in our story as we have, then explore even further the limitless domains of information of artificial intelligence. Don't let this adventure stop. Relive the wonders of tomorrow by following our channel and joining our ever-growing social community on all its platforms. As you can personally experience, Google's AI makes way for a future far better after all this time of looking out for number one. Let that flame of curiosity burn brightly. Keep reaching for stars beyond our ken. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, give it a like, share, and subscribe to support us.